Let me show you, I have my friend Angela right here. Let's talk about nasolabial folds. So my friend Angela, this is where our nasolabial folds right here and here. I kind of would like to take it off, but then she falls apart. Then marionette lines right here, smoker lines here, and then all the smile lines when we smile. Oh, Angela, watch out. Number one, what I really love is a sleep and glow pillow with this scoop in here. Look at this, guys. Can you see? It's a silk pillowcase, by the way. When you sleep, you spend 6, 7, 8 hours every single night. That's a 1/3 of your life, and you cause all kinds of wrinkles right here. With this one, your cheek falls in it like that. Over here, this is the scoop. Your cheek falls and nothing is being squished. Nothing. That's why me at the age of 39, no Botox, no fillers, no filters, no lasers, only taking care of my skin by using this pillow. I love it. Next, what I do, it is a Dermaroller. Really great way to prevent nasolabial folds, marionette lines, smoker lines. Amazing. I'm going to be using 0.5 millimeter Dermaroller. I will show you how I disinfect the skin with liquid oxygen. This is the liquid oxygen that is called natural foam therapy. All the products, by the way, are going to be listed down below in the description box. This is a liquid oxygen that disinfects your skin and your tool better than anything else. For disinfecting your Dermaroller, you will just pump 2 pumps and you will wait until it's gonna settle down. If you want complete tutorial how to do that, I'm gonna post somewhere here. It's gonna be linked. And for my face, I'm just gonna apply here to disinfect that part where I'm gonna be using Dermaroller, because it disinfects, it cleanses. My clients with acne, they said that this works wonders for acne skin. Taking face towel that I only use for the face and wiping everything off. I'm actually gonna use, this is pure oxygen serum. Oxygen serum and oxygen liquid disinfection. I'm gonna show you quickly how I kind of massage those lines to prevent nasolabial fold lines and marionette lines and overall boost blood circulation right here, which prevents sagging and wrinkles. So this is what I do. Take kind of 3 fingers. You can do one or both at the same time. Let's do one. Let me get closer to you. So you take like that, go up, and then kind of like this, and you can go up, go like this, kind of like drag it, like massage here, and kind of like, I would say 10 times. Now on the top of the oil, you cannot use Dermaroller. It's just, I don't recommend. So I'm gonna wash and disinfect. This is face wash / disinfection product. You can use that as well to remove oil. And now we can use Dermaroller. This is real individual needle Dermaroller with the actual real needles and not the fake needles. Most of the Dermarollers on the market, they have a spiky wheels like that inside Dermarollers, and they are not good because those spiky wheels are not needles, they are not thin, they can scar your skin. Anyway, let's start. I'm going from the marionette line all the way up to nasolabial fold line right here, and I'm also gonna do a little bit around here. So 1 line is totally okay, using 0.5. Do 10 to 15 rolls. If you have deeper lines, I will say do first here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then do here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Depends how bad it is. So basically 10 to 15 times, and then I'll do like same horizontal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll do the same thing on this side. If you have really deep lines, you can go 5 more times. I would not recommend more than 10 to 15 times for the beginners. For the advanced, which you've been doing this for maybe 10-15 times already, you can do 20 times. That's totally fine. Now down here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So always with microneedling is horizontal and vertical, and then like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. And now this is the most difficult part. I'm being honest, this is a really sensitive spot for me. Is helping with those smoker lines, or stop using straws when you drink something. And here on the cupid bow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is so sensitive, and I'll do like this. It can cause histamine reaction. That's totally fine. I have here line, I don't know if you're gonna see. So I will kind of blow, and I'll do the same thing on the other side, like extra loud, extra loud where you need. All right, and that's it with Dermaroller. This is how you disinfect the tool. Pump, wait until the next morning, and then you rinse with the filtered water, and you're good to go. Now, after that, I'm gonna be using natural and toxic-free peptide serum because I want to tighten those lines and that skin around my mouth. And then with the hyaluronic serum is going to hydrate. I personally like hydration. I don't know what you guys like, and I like firmness. And I just pump both of them in my hand, and I just gently tap it. Tap it, tap it. Look, a little bit redness is fine. A little bit blood flow is fine. A little bit tingling, it's fine. This shouldn't take more than 10 minutes total. And you make sure next day you don't go to the sun. If you want complete, like, detailed tutorial on full microneedling from the beginning till the end, cautious, precautions, what to use after and stuff like this, I'm gonna post somewhere here in the corner. Please go watch. If you wanna actually really learn how to use microneedling tool, I can give you way more information that I highly recommend to do that. It's gonna be here somewhere. Click on the link and you're gonna be guided to that microneedling video. I love you guys so much. If you have any questions, please leave me down below. Please subscribe if you haven't. Me and my friend Angela, we're saying good night. Make sure you do this before bed, not in the morning. I highly recommend to do that before bed.